let's now create an estimate. For example, this one, the opportunity, the parlor at 160 Madison Avenue. It's currently in estimating stage because we haven't added the estimate for this one. So you can see on the right, we do have the estimate created via QuickBooks. So now we're going to have this estimate in Odoo. First thing that you should do is click on edit. All right, so let's move this to estimate sent, negotiating follow-up. Now you have the contacts tab, add info, RFI if there's any, estimates, sales orders if we want the project, notes, documents. So let's just say that we do have the estimate here. Let's add a line. Okay, the contact person is Cody. Payment terms would be 50%. Add in COD. We have to move this on June 3. Reference, project name, drawings. Hold on. Okay. Then I hit save. Okay, just to make sure that we do have that estimate, let's save it first. Right? Now, okay, I want to go to the actual estimate. So parlor. Now I add here the line items. Add a line. Quantities 1, unit price is 9,500. Next. So that's the quantity again for 7. It's 50 of 125. Then installation 13,200. Now always remember that if you do have notes, that would be, or that would go to notes or permits are not included in this code, so that should be inclusion or exclusion. Add a line. Post. Let's create exclusion. Save and close. So we add that. Now let us save. Okay. Again, let's edit estimate. Don't forget to add the sales tax. So that is NYS sales tax. So 2986.44, total of 36,636.44. Let's save. Okay. Now if you wanted to see a preview of that one, just click on the print estimate. And here you go. Let's see. 9,500. the 4700, 125, and the installation exclusion. All right, that's all you have to do, creating an estimate.